Anonymous function in JavaScript. In JavaScript, anonymous function is a function that doesn't have a name. We can create a function without name. Anonymous function is used where a function is used temporarily for a short duration, or where a function is used as an argument to another function. For example, I create an anonymous function by write const add numbers equals function and pass a and b as parameter. Then return a plus b. Here this anonymous function is assigned to this variable. Then in result variable store the return value by calling the variable add numbers and pass parameter 5 and 10. Then print result and it shows 15. This is a parameterized anonymous function. Now let's see a parameter-less anonymous function by write const greet equals function keyword and inside this function document.write goodnight. Now I call the anonymous function directly like this. And it shows goodnight.